Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. In this video we will be preparing corned beef Angwamoo. Yes, corned beef Angwamoo. And I asked myself, why haven't I known this recipe for a long time? I tell you, it's so delicious and it will take you to the next level. So I hope you will try this corned beef Angwamoo or corned beef braised rice. Yes, and the corned beef flavor makes it taste so delicious. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe and give it a try. So let's get started. For my ingredients, I'll be using basmati rice. Basmati rice have less carbohydrates and very healthy. So to start with, I have heated about half a cup of oil, and to it I'm adding in 2 medium large sliced onions. So I'll be stirring and fry for about 1 minute. And please, if you do enjoy my recipes and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment for more amazing videos, and also so you don't miss out on any of my recipes I post, and also to be part of this amazing channel. And to all my new and returning subscribers, thank you all so much for finding value in what I'm doing and always supporting my channel. God bless you all so much. So the onions have been frying for a while. Now I'll be adding in the corned beef and I'll stir and fry it for another few minutes. And for the basmati rice, I have washed and pre-soaked for about 30 minutes to soften up, unlike the white jasmine rice, which is very soft and easy to cook. So I recommend soaking up your basmati rice if it's your first time using it. Makes it easier to cook. And I hope you are enjoying this simple recipe. It's straightforward and you give this a try. So next I'll be adding in the pre-washed basmati rice, and I'll stir and add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable seasoning. And also I wouldn't be adding in any salt because the corned beef itself has salt, as well as the vegetable seasoning. So I'll stir and add in 4 cups of water. So I'll give it a quick stir. I'll cover and let it simmer on a low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'll open it and stir it again. And if it requires a little bit more water, you can add a little bit. And at this point, it still have some more moisture in it. So I'll now cover it with cling foil and I'll let it simmer for another 5 minutes until it's all done. So this is a very simple corned beef Angwamoo. It's simply straightforward and very delicious. And at this point, our corned beef Angwamoo is all done, or braised rice. Very simple. You can have it with your fried eggs, sardines, your normal grinded pepper and onions and tomatoes, but I will not be having it with any extra, and I'll be enjoying it with just steamed broccoli because I just want to enjoy the flavor of the corned beef by itself. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and also check out my other recipes if you haven't done so, or in case you have missed watching any of those. So thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. God bless you all, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye. Have a lovely weekend.